Hello, this is Justin from Honors WP. Today I'm going to show you how to use our certificate archive for LearnDash plugin. And what this plugin allows you to do is display all earned LearnDash certificates on any WordPress page or post just using our shortcode. So as you can see here, we're on a WordPress site. We have LearnDash installed. And let's say I'm a course creator and I want to create a page that allows my LearnDash users to log in, navigate to, and view all their earned certificates. So to do that, we're just going to create a page. And this page can be called whatever you want. In this case, we'll just call it My Certificates. And here we will add the shortcode. LD underscore certificates underscore archive. And we'll publish that page. All right, now we can view it. So this is where all the earned LearnDash certificates would show up. Because I have not completed any LearnDash courses or quizzes and not earned any certificates, that's why this page right here is blank. So let's log in as a user who has earned certificates. So just to view, here's some LearnDash courses. We also have some LearnDash quizzes, all these which have a certificate tied to them. So let's go down to users and log in as a user who has earned some certificates and see what it looks like. All right, then we'll go to the home page. You see here at the top, we have a tab called My Certificates, so we'll click on that. Now, as you can see here, these are the certificates this user has earned for courses and quizzes. So we'll just click on one as an example. So as you can see, it shows the certificate, what the certificate pertains to, quiz, the instructor. So this is useful if you want an easy way to display certificates for a user. So that way they don't have to search for it. You don't have to worry about where they can find it. It's all kept neatly on one page. And what's very useful about this plugin as well is that if you say you have a course and this course renews every year and this user has to renew the course every year and get a certificate, what our plugin can do is it will show the course certificate every year that a user has completed the course. So say this certificate right here, and it will show the certificate name and the date it was earned. So say this is all the same course, five certificates for the same course, and this could take place over 5 years. So this is convenient if you need to have a system set up where users have to renew their certificate or renew a course. All the certificates would be kept right here. So that way there's no question of where they are or if they lose them and anything like that. So thank you for joining in and stay tuned for more videos.